Hello.
Uh, hi, sir.
Yes. Solo, tell me about yourself.
Yeah, okay, sir. Thank you giving up a opportunity in front of you. My name is Shanu Kumar. I am basically from Bihar, Samastipur. Currently, I am staying in Noida. I done my graduation in Technocrat Institute of Technology, and the aggregate is 80%. After then, I am joining JS Python and learn Java full stack developer. After then, I am joining one company, Geek Rabbit Private Limited. I have 2 years of experience as a Java developer. In their company, I learn hands-on experience as a Java, Hibernate, Spring Boot, REST API, that things. And I have done two projects in this company. One name is Scrum Rabbit and another name is Resumes. Currently my project name is Scrum Rabbit, and I was part of a team that developed a comprehensive project management tool, just similar like a Jira, aimed at streamlining task organization, team collaboration, and project tracking. The application include core functionality like issue tracking, sprint, and backlog management, making it highly suitable for agile teams. My primary responsibility was developing the backend using Java and Spring Boot, and design RESTful API to support our feature, including creating, updating, tracking tasks, and user management and notification. I use JPA with Hibernate to manage database interaction. And the feature of the project is user and role management. Means user are assigned roles with a specific permission for admins manage project user and setting. And another feature is project and sprint management. Means project consists of multiple sprint, each with a defined time frame and set of task user, and create, assign, and monitor task within sprints. It's the business logic informs sprint timelines. Also have a task life cycle and status tracking, and also have a issue tracking and notification and alert. Issue tracking, the logic allows team member to create, assign, and give the issue or bug. Each issue is categorized and tracked independently to help firm focus on critical fix. And another uh, yeah.
Okay.
So can I?
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
That time you are working with the. What is your location? Current CTC.
Uh,
Working location.
Working location in Pune, but right now, last 6 months they give me work from home, so I am currently staying in Noida.
Okay. Good. Hmm. Next.
Yes, sir.
1 minute.
Okay, sir.
What is the difference between the final keyword, finalize, and finally key? Fun.
Uh, Final, when I am write the final, they not initialized reinitialized for variable. Also, when write the in front of method, they not overriding for another class. um, and in finalized method in Java protected void finalized that belong to the object class. It is used to clean up operation before an object is garbage collection. um,
And
uh,
what is the use of
in
finally?
what
Finally. What is use of finally?
Finally. Oh, okay. Finally, where I am use the finally um, uh, in last statement of in, in the last exception of a statement of exception, they uh, close costly resources.
Okay.
Uh,
What do you mean by dynamic dispatch method?
yes, sir.
What do you mean by dynamic dispatch method?
Dynamic dispatch method. Yeah, okay. uh, Dynamic dispatch method in Java. Uh, they also name is runtime polymorphism. Uh, it, means method overwriting is a mechanism which a call to our hidden method is resolved at runtime rather than at compile time. The enable Java to support dynamic binding of methods where the method that executed depends on the runtime object, not the reference type.
Okay.
Mm.
It is possible to inherit string class.
It's possible to inherit.
String class.
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes.
Okay. What is thread? What is thread?
Uh, okay. Thread uh, in Java, thread using for um, uh, in Java, thread is a smallest unit of process that executed independently. Um, Java provides built-in support for multi-threading, multiple parts of program to manage CPU utilization.
Okay.
And also have some key multi-threading main thread life cycle.
Shall
Can explain?
it is possible to share your screen? Can you
Yeah,
share?
yes. Okay, 1 minute. Visual, sir.
Okay. Yes. 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 Next, what is what is difference between state
Hmm.
statement and statement prepare statement?
What is difference between
Prepare statement and statement.
prepare statement and statement? Uh, and the difference between a statement and prepare a statement, they um, and, a statement is used to execute simple SQL query, but a prepared statement to execute some complex SQL query.
Okay.
A statement typically used then the SQL query is static and does not require input from user data. But in prepare a statement, that's all thing is there. In syntax of a statement is create a statement, um, and syntax of the prepare statement is prepare a statement.
Okay. What do you mean by batch processing in the Java?
What do
And
you
where
mean?
I can use batch processing?
Batch.
Hmm.
Batch processing. What do you mean by batch processing? Yeah. In Java, refer to the execute of a series of tasks or job in a single run, typically without any user interaction, often involving large data sets or respective tasks. Um, Java provide multiple way to handle batch processing for like JDBC, Spring Batch, and Java double E interactive.
Okay. Suppose
Yes.
I have 2 crore records in a file. Okay.
Yes, sir.
2
Yes.
2 crores record in a file. I want to read that file and store in the database. So which method you will be used to fast reading that data without affecting or raising error, heap error?
Sir, can you repeat? I don't understand what you said.
Tell me again.
Yeah, sir. Sorry.
Are you understand my question?
Yeah, no, sir. Half
Okay.
understand, half no.
Let us start again. Suppose I have
Yes.
2
Mm,
crore records in a
mm,
file. Okay.
mm, mm.
And I I want to read that file using Java and store in the database. So which method you will be used for reading data to be the fast reading and storing in the database?
First,
Like, yes, tell me.
Yes, sir. Sir, when bulk data is stored, then which method I am using in Java? We fast reader for database.
Have you
That's the question.
have you any idea about for this process?
Yeah, sir. In this question, I have a buffer reader I am using. Then yeah, they give the faster.
Okay, what is the difference between the scanner and buffer reader? Where can I use a scanner class and
Hmm?
where I can use the buffer reader class and a stream buffer, whatever?
Scanner, stream, buffer difference. That's the question.
It is possible to read a file using a scanner or not?
Yes, sir.
It is possible.
Yeah, yes, sir.
So which method is suitable? So where can I use the scanner and where can I use the buffer reader?
When reader I'm using, then bulk data is there, then using buffer reader.
Okay. What is the difference between iterator and iterator?
Iterator. Difference between iterator and iterator.
Yes.
Uh, in Java, have a iterator and iterators have a difference. And um, iterator have a one variable in this method, and um, iterator have a two variables in this method. And i- iterator has a one method has a has next, they return next data, and also have an next method, they return element in the iterator, and also have a remove method. um, um, so that's
Okay. It is possible to multiple inheritance in the Java.
two multiple inheritance.
It is possible to multiple inheritance in Java.
No, sir. In multiple inheritance is not using in Java, but um, by using interface, I am achieve multiple inheritance.
Okay. What is the interface and abstract class? What is the difference between abstract class and interface?
Abstract class and interface. Difference between abstract class and interface have a no constructor, but abstract class have a constructor. Interface have a 100% achieve abstraction, but abstract class have a not 100% give 0 to 100% give abstraction. uh, in uh, in interface can only have a public static final, and in abstract class can have an instance variable field. In interface have a all method public by default, um, unless marked as a static or default, and access in abstract class have a can in access modifier can have a verify access modifier public, private, and protected.
Okay.
Mm.
What is use of a static keyword?
Mm. In Java, I am using a static keyword. Then they not uh, um, reinitialize anything when I write the in when I am write the static variable in class variable. In a static variable share among all the instance of a class is not tied to any specific instance. Also, in when I am using a static method, then a static method can be called on the class itself without creating an object of the class. And when I am using a static block is used for initialize a static variable or performing other one-time setup operation.
Have you any idea about the JSP?
So, sir, I have a knowledge, but in my project I am not using JSP. So,
Okay.
it-
What is scriptlet in the JSP? What is scriptlet? Scriptlet in JSP.
scriptlet.
Yes.
So, in JSP, JSP, sir. Right now,
Okay, no issue.
something forget.
What do you mean by synchronization?
Hmm. Uh, in Java, I am using synchronization. Um, um, so in synchronization, the concept of controlling access to the shared resources by multiple thread to ensure that only one thread can access the resources at a time. That is called synchronization.
Okay, Sanu. Thank you very
Hmm.
much. I'll give you our feedback to HR team, and HR team will call you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you
Thank
very much.